All right, day 3 of the Model B. Model B. Not much, yeah. Big pool, 14,000 gallons. All right, so basically, again, this kind of looks freaky that this bows while it's filling until it gets enough water pressure to push out on the sides. So that's what's going on. Got the valves installed, which will get, which I can fill the pool and not have everything else hooked up. I can work on that while it's filling. Nice design. Intex plunger valves, very nice. So here's what survey of it. No leaks, no errors. There we go. Looks pretty level. That's what we were going for. Yeah, I haven't counted the squares. May or may not in the same because again they're panels, 4-foot wide panels that go basically across. You can see the seams on the bottom, and they don't line up. So I don't know if looking at squares or counting squares on one end is a good indicator of level. Or where the drain valves are out too. Those could be kind of whimsical, not machine. They could be. Those could be machine made as it's rolled out. They could punch holes in it, but again, they have to put a gusset of vinyl around where those holes are at to keep them from being a weak point. They weld on a piece of, it's on the inside, but basically you can kind of see the change in the color here, and they weld a piece on there. You can see it here, a circle where that hole is punched, and they got one here also on the inlet. You can see it. Strengthen that up because that could be a weak point. All right, well, it's day 3 of the fill.